Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how my friend and super affiliate on ClickBank's Rex Tata is earning $36.70 plus minus per day using this one product. And I'm also going to show you how he's turning over $213 per week passively with this one product that he's going to show you in this video. I'm super excited to have him on the channel again. He's been on the channel once before to explain a very profitable Fiverr strategy that he showed you guys, and that video is doing super well, and I really appreciate all of your support. I wish I could just give all of you one big hug because your support really means the world to me. But back into the method, this method can allow you also to work from home and find that financial freedom that one is looking for. And this is Rex Tata right here. He's doing so well for himself. He's earning or making daily videos, and he's getting about 1K views per video, and he's only got 2K subscribers, and he's really growing at a rapid rate. People are listening to him. He's really making a lot of money online with ClickBank. So I suggest go to his channel, subscribe with the notifications on. I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment, and he's really uploading amazing traffic strategies and how to earn on ClickBank's, Fiverr, and the various different platforms, and starting an online business. But without further ado, I want you guys to really pay attention to this video. It's going to be packed with value, freebies, and important tools that you will need, as I say. But without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get straight into it.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a simple step-by-step method that if you use, you can start making some sales on ClickBank. So you know, guys, I've been making some extra money on ClickBank, and all you have to do, guys, is that you're going to take action on one of these methods, and you're going to work on it consistently until you start getting some results with ClickBank. So I'm still making some extra money on ClickBank, and I've not made a lot of money from ClickBank this month because I've been working on Fiverr. So I've been making some extra money from Fiverr, guys. So this is possible, guys. All you have to do is take action on one method, do it consistently until you start getting some sales, guys. So I remember when I got started, sometimes I used to make up to 2 months without having any sale in my ClickBank accounts, guys. So all you have to do, guys, is take action on one method and you can start making some sales, guys. So this is possible. A lot of people are making money on ClickBank, and you can also make money on ClickBank, guys. So let's get into the video, guys. Let me show you guys a simple step-by-step method that you can follow and start getting some sales on ClickBank. So let's get into the video. So the first step, guys, that you're going to go to ClickBank. As always, you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. You're going to choose a product that is converting very well on ClickBank. So for this example, guys, I'm going to be promoting products in the health niche. So I'm going to go to health and fitness on ClickBank. I'm going to go to a category. I'm going to go to health and fitness. This is health and fitness. So I'm just going to click on health and fitness. And next, I'm also going to sort by gravity. So I want to be promoting products that are already converting very well on ClickBank, as it's going to help me to sell this product a lot easier on when I'm promoting this product. So I'm just going to choose any of these type of products. So you're going to choose, for example, the Cinderella solution has a high gravity of 383, which means that it's getting a lot of sales from affiliates. You can see this particular one also has a high gravity and it's getting a lot of sales. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to choose one of these products that's converting very well, and you can promote this product with this particular method I'm showing you guys in any niche, guys. So you can promote products in the health, the wealth, and the relationship niches, and you can make a lot of sales with this method. So be sure to watch step by step as I'm going to show you guys this method that you can use to make some extra money on ClickBank very fast. So we're just going to choose one product, guys. So for example, we're just going to choose one product. So this is the flat belly fix. This is a product that has been selling on ClickBank for a long time, and it's still converting very well. As you can see, it still has a high gravity of 124, which means that affiliates are still making a lot of money with this, and it's also having a good initial sale. So you can see you're going to get paid $43 once you make a sale from this particular product. So for this particular example, guys, we are going to be promoting this product, the flat belly fix, on ClickBank. So you want to check the sales page of the product. So you can check the sales page of the product. So you can see the sales page has a video. So some of the best products to promote are products that have a video, because videos convert a lot better. So you want to promote products that have a video sales letter like this one, guys. So that's the first step, guys. So once you have chosen the product you're going to be promoting, like the flat belly fix, the next step, guys, is that you're going to copy the URL of the website. So the first step of this method is that we're going to copy the URL of this website. We're going to copy the flatbellyfix.com. We're just going to copy that. And we're going to go to this website, similarweb.com. and we're going to paste the URL of that website. So what we're going to do, we're going to paste the URL, the flatbellyfix.com. We're just going to delete this. We're going to leave only the flatbellyfix.com. We're going to click on the flatbellyfix.com. So we want to see how much traffic this website is getting and where this traffic is coming from. So let's see. So you can see that the traffic from this particular offer is going down by this traffic, but this offer is still making a lot of sales. So this is not what we're concerned about. So affiliates are still making sales with this particular product. So this product is still converting. So let's scroll down. You can see most of the traffic that are coming to this website are from the United States. So if you check the traffic sources, guys, you're going to discover that 56% of the traffic to this website is coming from display ads. So display ads are like banner advertising that people have put on different websites and are driving traffic back to this particular offer. So you can see that the majority of the traffic that's coming to this website is from display advertising, like banner ads on different websites. So if you see this metric, guys, it means that majority of the sales on this website is coming from banner advertising. So what we're going to do, guys, is that since you have seen that this website is getting a lot of its traffic from display advertising, the next step from here, guys, is that you're going to copy the URL of this website. So this is the URL of the website, flatbellyfix.com. And we're going to go to the next website. So follow me step by step as I'm going to show you guys how to use this method. So we're going to go to Google and we're going to go to this website, adbit.com. So if you search on Google for Adbit, you're going to go to this website, adbit.com. This is the website. So you're just going to go to this website and you're going to sign up for a free account. There's a premium account, but you don't need the premium account for this method I'm going to be showing you guys. What you're going to do, guys, is that you're going to paste the URL of the website. So you're going to paste the URL in this space. So you're going to paste the flatbellyfix.com and we're going to click on search. So you're going to click on search. So once you search for the flatbellyfix.com on this website on adbit.com, it's going to help us to spy on advertisements that other affiliates are using to drive traffic back to this offer and make a lot of sales. So we can swipe some of these campaigns and we can make a lot of money with this method. So this is a very powerful method, guys. So we scroll down here, you can see that 144 ads has been seen this month. So these are ads that affiliates are running to this particular offer in the last month. So what you can see, guys, you can see that they're advertising every day. So these are different advertisements. But if you scroll right down here, you're going to see that you're going to see the top publishers. So if you scroll, you can see the top publishers of people that are promoting this particular product. So these are the websites that many of these people are promoting this particular product. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the ads, the exact ads that these people are running on this website. So you can go and swipe these ads. As I'm going to show you guys how to promote this particular offer. So you can see, guys, these are the ads that people are running. So these are standard ads and these are native ads and these are the creative that they are using to promote this product, and you're just going to swipe this and you're going to start promoting this particular product as well. So if we click on this, if we click on advertiser ads, we're going to see the different ads that advertisers are using on different websites to promote this particular product. So these are the type of ads that they are using on those websites, guys. So you can see these are the type of ads that they are using on those websites. So if they are using these ads on this website, it means that these ads are doing very well, and we can just go and swipe these ads that they have already done for us, and we're going to start promoting this particular product with these ads, guys. So you can see there are a lot more ads. If you click on load more, you're going to see that there's a lot more of these ads that these affiliates are using to promote this product. So we're just going to swipe this and we're going to promote the flat belly fix for this example. So let's go back to advertiser profile and we're just going to choose one ad that we can promote with this method. So if you click on, so if you check for standard ads, so let's just click on standard ads. We're just going to choose one ad for this example that we're going to be promoting this product with. So if you scroll down here, you can choose one of the ads that you want to use for this particular example. So you can use like this type of ad. So you can just save this image and we're going to use for this particular method. You can just choose one. So let's just choose one for example from here. So you can see this is a good ad. So you can see this is a simple image ad. All you have to do from here, guys, you're just going to right click and going to click on save as, and you can save this image and you can use this image in your ad without have to go and do all the research. So most of these super affiliates have already done all the research for you, and all you have to do is go to adbit.com and place the URL of the product that you want to promote, and you can find a lot of related ads that other affiliates have already done all the creative work for you, and you're just going to save these images and you can promote this particular product with this. So once you are done, guys, so once you choose the image that you're going to be promoting this product with, what we are going to do next, guys, you're going to go to this website we're going to use this website to promote this product. So this website is called buysellads.com. So this is a website that is going to enable you to place ads on other websites and get traffic back to your affiliate offer. So once you go to this website, guys, all you have to do is sign up for a free account on this website, and we're just going to go to marketplace, and we're going to see a lot of websites that we can go and advertise our products on. So you can see, guys, there are a lot of categories. So if you are promoting products, for example, business and finance, this is the business and finance category. If you click on business and finance, you're going to see a lot of websites that you can go and promote your products on. So you can go and place these banner ads on this website. So these are different websites, guys. So if you go back to categories, you're going to see that there are a lot of different categories on this website that you can go and advertise your products on. So since we are promoting the flat belly fix, we are going to search for websites in categories. For example, beauty and fashion. So these are the type of categories that we're going to be promoting this weight loss product on. So you can check out this one. So this one, long hair care forum. So we don't want any of this. So let's go back to categories and let's check for another category so we can find a website that is suitable for our weight loss products. So let's go, for example, food and drink. So let's check food and drink. So you can see these are the type of websites you can promote your product on. So you can see Supercook recipes, better living. So these are the type of products. So these are the type of websites that you can go and promote this weight loss offer on. So let's open one of these. So let's open this too. And let's check out the website. So you can check out the website from here. So let's click on this supercook.com. So this is the website, guys. So this is the website that you can go and promote this particular product on. So we're not going to promote on this. So let's check the other website, Better Living. So the name of the website is on betterliving.com. So let's click on that. So this is the type of website that is going to be suitable for our weight loss product, guys. So you can go and promote a weight loss product on this particular website. So you can see that it has a lot of engagement. So it has up to 41,000 followers on Pinterest and up to 239,000 followers on Twitter. So which means that this website is getting a lot of traffic. So let's check if this website is getting a lot of traffic. So once you find a website you want to advertise your products on, guys, so you have to copy the URL of the website. So let's copy the URL of this website and let's check it on SimilarWeb. So we're going to go back to SimilarWeb. We're going to go back to similarweb.com. We're going to paste the URL. We're going to check out the website. So let's check out how much traffic this website is getting. So let's check out the website. So you can see, guys, the website is getting up to 250,000 visitors per month, guys. And one of the most important things that you want to check on the website you're going to be promoting the product on, guys, is that you're going to check on this. So if you look on this country rank and it shows United States, it means that majority of its traffic is coming from the United States. So that is very important, guys. So you want to be promoting this product to the traffic that is coming from the United States. So if you put another website, for example, so let's put another website, for example, Kijiji. For example, this is a Canadian website. So we put Kijiji, for example, you're going to see that the country rank is Canada, which means that most of the traffic is coming from Canada. And we see, for example, India is going to show you that most of the traffic is coming from India. So you want to verify the websites, guys, to make sure that most of the traffic is coming from countries like United States, which is going to help you to make a lot more sales once you promote this product. So once you have done that, guys, and you discover that the website is getting a lot of traffic, and on this website you can get up to 295,000 impressions every month on this website, guys. So what you want to do from here, guys, is that you can go and place your ads on this website. And you can see the prices from here, guys. So you're going to pay $3.75 for 1,000 impressions when you place your banner ad on this website. You can see the size of the image. So this is the size of the image, 200 by 250, middle right. That is where your ad is going to show on this website. So you're going to place your ad on this website. Once people come to this website, they're going to see your banner ad on this website. And since this is a website that is related to health, many of the people that are going to use the website that are interested in losing weight, a lot of them are going to click on your ads and they are going to go back to your affiliate offer. So once you choose a website that you're going to be promoting your product, guys, all you have to do is click. So if you click on add to cart, it's going to show you how much you're going to pay for 30 days to place your ad on this website. So you can see you're going to pay $487.50 to place your ads on this website for 30 days. So what you can do, guys, is you can also choose on this. So you can click on this scheduling and you can choose the specific days that you want to run this ad. So if you want to pay up to $487 to run your ad on this website for 30 days, guys, you can choose specific dates. So you're just going to click on this, going to click on scheduling, and you're going to click on this, run for specific dates. So you're going to select specific dates that you want to run your advertisement on this website, and it's going to reduce the price that you're going to pay when you're getting started. So you're going to choose date. So you're just going to click on start date. So you can see starting date. You can click on this. I can choose, for example, November 3rd, and you can choose the ending date. So you say no, from November 3rd you want to run it till Saturday the 9th. You can click on that. You're going to see, guys, you're going to get up to 59,000 impressions on this website, and you're going to be paying $3.75 for 1,000 impressions on your banners on this website. And all you're going to do from here, guys, you're going to click on add to cart. So you click on add to cart. You're going to see that we're going to pay only $112 to run for this particular amount of days. So you can select the dates from here, guys. So the smaller the days, the smaller the money you're going to pay, and the higher the days, the higher the money is going to increase. So you can come and choose the date. So if you don't want to have a lot of budget to run for 30 days, you can just come and schedule and pick the specific days that you want to run this ad on this website. And what you're going to do next from here, guys, you're just going to click on, you're going to click on your order. So you can click on your order, and you're just going to click on upload creative. And this time, guys, you're going to upload the creative that we downloaded from the other website. So you're just going to click on choose file, and you're going to upload this on this website, and it's going to be placed on the website. It's going to place on this website, and you can start getting a lot of traffic back to your affiliate offers, and you're going to make a lot of sales, because this is highly targeted traffic, and most of this traffic is coming from the United States, and the product itself is converting very well on ClickBank. So let's say, guys, that if you are promoting this product, the flat belly fix, and you are investing $112, so what we invested was $112 to run this ads for a few days, guys. All you have to do is you're going to make a few sales to recover this investment. So the average sale of this product is $43.21, and once you promote this product on this website, you're going to pay $112. You're going to get up to 59,000 impressions on your banner on this website, guys. So you're going to get 59,000 impressions. That is a lot of traffic, and it's highly targeted traffic that is going to go to your banner ads. And you make only 5 sales from this product, guys. So if you make 5 sales from this product, so let's search, for example, so let's calculate 5 sales times 43. So that's the price. So the price is $43. So it's $43.21. So let's make 5 times 43. It's $215, and let's minus our cost price of $112. And that's it, guys. With this example, you have made a profit of $103, guys. So this is a method that you can use, and you can make a lot of sales with it, guys. So that's a simple method, guys. All you have to do is first look for the product you want to be promoting. Next, you're going to take it to similarweb.com, and you're going to see where most of the traffic is coming from. For example, this particular example that we're promoting, most of the traffic was coming from display advertising. Next, you're going to go to adbit.com, and you're going to see some of the top ads that other super affiliates are already using, and you're going to swipe some of these banner ads, and you can go back to buy sell ads, and you can buy an ad on buy sell ads, and you can promote this particular product. So if you go back to your marketplace, guys, there are a lot of websites that you can go and promote your products on. So if you click on any category, guys, you can promote products on any category. For example, if you click on gaming, you're going to see a lot of gaming websites that are getting a lot of traffic that you can go and promote gaming products on. And if you go to, for example, family and parenting, business and finance, you're going to see a lot of high traffic websites that you can go and promote your products on, guys. So all you have to do, guys, is you're going to take action on this method. If you take action on this method, guys, you can make a lot of sales with this particular method, as you're going to be getting high quality traffic back to your affiliate offers. So that's it, guys. If you found value in this video, guys, I would appreciate if you leave a like on this video, and if you also subscribe to the channel, so that I'll continue to make tutorials on how to make money online, ClickBank methods, and online earning methods. And you want to learn how to make some extra money very fast online, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn my most recommended method to start making some extra money very fast online. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.